During the current 1402 solar year, the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has significantly boosted the employment opportunities in mining and transportation sectors, providing jobs for tens of thousands of individuals. Several mining contracts have been awarded to both domestic and foreign companies, including 4 blocks of iron mines in Ghorian district of Herat province, a lead and zinc mine in Tulak district of Ghor province, the Samti gold mine in Takhar district of Takhar province, and the second Mess Aynak mine in Logar province. These contracts, totaling $6.5 billion in investments, are expected to generate employment for thousands. Additionally, oil extraction has commenced from 6 new wells in the Amu oil field with plans to activate 23 more wells by year-end, raising the total active wells to 47 and daily extraction to 3,000 tons, providing jobs for numerous citizens. Moreover, in the transportation sector, reconstruction efforts for highways such as Kabul-Herat, Wakhan corridor, Badakhshan, Paktia, Logar, Badghis, and Ghor, along with the construction of railway connections to neighboring countries, are progressing rapidly. Projects like the Afghan Trans Initiative aim to establish the shortest transit corridor between China and Europe, facilitating connectivity between South and Central Asia. These endeavors not only create employment opportunities for tens of thousands but also enhance transportation infrastructure, which holds significant economic potential and serves as a vital source of national budget funding, contributing to the country's economic stability.